Hello Xhorse Global fans! Today we'll showcase how to duplicate new Honda Civic or Integra key with Condor XE Mini Plus 2. The new Civic or Integra key is pretty thin. We'll use the number 123 key blank for duplication. As the blank is thick, we should cut it thin first. Step 1. Cut the blank thin. Enter Settings. Select 1.0 mm probe and 2.5 mm cutter. Install the M5 clamp, cutter, and probe. Enter Manual Cutting and choose Line Mode. Press Initialize. Insert the key blank and tighten the clamp. Firstly, detect the Z point to determine the head reference points. Move the probe till it's right above the blank. Detect the Z point and record the point. Currently, Mini Plus 2 supports recording 2 to 6 points. You can record 6 points directly and cut it thin. However, these points have to be recorded precisely and it's hard to record with human eyes. So it's recommended to record 8 points to finish the cutting. We'll first detect 6 points here and 2 points next. Now we'll start to detect points. Detect point 1. Point 2. Point 3. Point 4. Point 5. Point 6. Okay, we've finished recording these points and now we'll start to cut. Cutting depth 1.5 mm. Cutting completed. You can see the area within the 6 points are completely thinned. Now we start to cut the head part of the key. Insert the key reversely, press Start Cutting. We've finished the 6 points area cutting. Now we need to record the last 2 points and cut the rest of the key. Initialize the device. Insert the key blank and tighten the clamp. Detect Z point. Detect point 1. Point 2. Cutting depth is also 1.5 mm. Start cutting. Cut the head part of the key. The key blank has been cut thin. Step 2. Key tip cutting. Mark the key blank based on the shape of the original key tip. Enter menu cutting and choose line mode. Initialize the device. Insert the key blank and tighten the clamp. Detect Z point. Detect point 1. Point 2. Point 3. Start cutting. Cutting depth 1.75 mm. Cutting completed. Step 3. Keep beading cutting. Enter automotive. Scroll down to Honda, Civic. The two sides of Civic keys differ in beading. We'll identify A side and start to decode this side. Insert the original key and tighten the clamp. Decode A side of the key. A side learning completed. Press B side. Flip the key and tighten the clamp. Decode B side of the key. Key learning completed. Insert the key blank and tighten the clamp. Start duplicating A side of the key. Flip the key. Start duplicating B side of the key. Key beading duplication completed. So now we've finished duplicating a new Honda Civic or Integra key. Let's give this new key a test with the lock. Working perfectly. So much for today's tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comment section. We'll see you in our next video. Bye!